to Charlotte. Kasey Kahne in the Dumont Jets Chevrolet in his 15th All-Star race. He swept the All-Star race and the 600 in 2008. Levine Family Racing.
Whoa! Back up. Back up. All right, guys. Go ahead.
And that's going to be a huge penalty time-wise. Still trying to keep their composure and going to work is Kasey Kahne's number 95 team around to the left side. This is going to be a huge time penalty for these guys, having to back up like that. Tape off the grill. Nope, just to clean the grill, and he's away.
About 7 seconds lost, catching first gear and then reverse and backing up into his pit box.
Takes her up a little bit, arcs her down in there.
All right, Denny Hamlin brings it down to Mike Wheeler. Boy, he's not going to make it. I don't have any pit guns. I can't pit him. He's going to have to back up. So that's really going to cost him. And they're going to do left side first, as all the Toyota teams have done. Front ahead of the rear a little bit. I just think when you slide through the pits like that, it throws the pit crew. It throws their rhythm off as well. They're going to continue with the right side. And they're going to be, boy, I'm telling you, that's going to be borderline on the right rear.
Whoa, baby! Whoa, baby!
That thing was sideways.
Slideways.
I don't think that's going to make it.
But what an effort!
Might have blown out a tire there.
Yeah, I think he blew out all of them.
Definitely blown out.
Oh, goodness.
Is it safe to go over yet?
154 miles per hour entering pit road. The difference was that he didn't get on the brakes for about another 100 feet.
That tire was flat.
Like I said, really, really good, or maybe not so much.
Or some of each.
Hard all the way here. Remember your shift points on the way up.
Left well, great long.
The 2 of Brad Keselowski now on the pit road.
You see the number of laps. Right front wheel is.
Yeah, and you see the number of laps that Brad Keselowski ran. You're starting to see their hand there, Kelly, on how long they can run.
And it sounded like Brad maybe didn't. Oh, and you see he's just hit a crew member, so this is a disastrous stop for Brad Keselowski. He went through his pit stall. He didn't hear Paul Wolfe, his crew chief, call him in the lap before, so they're a lap behind. And now just disaster as he went through his pit box. You saw the crew member get hit in a tire, go flying into the 2. They have had issues with pit stops before. It's one of the things that Paul Wolfe told me they want to work on in these next 6 races ahead of the